Hello, welcome back to the channel. I know I look like an egghead. It's only because my hair's been tied very tightly into this slick back bun, but I feel like this top is kind of extra, so I felt like a bun would be best. And also my hair's not clean. It's been like 3 days since I washed it, so yeah, I went with a bun. I hope I look fine. Anyway, we're going to a nykaa event. It's for a bunch of Korean brands on their platform like Plssss and I'm From and Wish Trend. So we're gonna go and see what that's about. So far in this week, I feel like I've been very busy getting a lot of content shot, edited, prepped, scheduled before I travel. I think that's gonna be from next week onwards for a couple of weeks, so it's just been a little bit manic. I will be taking you along for the rest of the week as well. So we have nykaa event today, tomorrow we have another event with Armani Beauty, and then Saturday is going to be really busy because we have an event not just with indewild but also with Florian hurel. I haven't even been reading books, to be honest. I feel like I've been so busy. Either I've been busy or sick or mentally flustered, so I haven't been able to pick up a book. The last book I read was The Stranger by Albert Camus. I don't know how you pronounce his name, but I don't know, but I'm feeling like that book put me in a rut because since then I haven't been able to enjoy books. And honestly, my goal for this year was to read like at least 24 books, and I feel like I'm a little behind on that goal. But maybe when I'm traveling I can, like, you know, catch up. Not sure. I'm trying not to stress out about that because there's a justified reason as to why I'm not able to do it. I've gotten back to workouts now that the neck pain is lesser. I've been doing Pilates, and the other day I even tried a yoga session, and it was the first time I did Ashtanga yoga, and it was so challenging. Like when I did it was totally fine because it was Surya Namaskara and I've done that before, but I did only 5 of each of the variants, and the next 2 days I was in so much pain. I was like, I cannot do anything. I literally cannot even make my bed because of how sore I was feeling, and I can't believe that yoga did that for me. The more you know. So yeah, I tried a trial session of yoga because I had spoken about how I want to try yoga. Someone reached out as a result of that, so thank you if you had messaged me. So I tried the trial session. I'm yet to decide if I want to continue that type of yoga or if I want something a little bit more relaxing. Either ways, I'm not gonna start it now because, as I mentioned, I'm traveling a bunch, so I'll pick it up once I'm back. Thinking of other things that I need to update you about, but I really can't seem to think of anything else. Honestly, how rude of me to keep talking without addressing the elephant in the room. These earrings are from this brand called A Little Extra. I featured them in my favorites video. I think it was in the month of March. And this necklace is from this brand called Ivara. I really like their quality. I feel like it's so elite. So I put that together and I did like a red inspired makeup look, even though that's not really the theme of today's event. This is the outfit I'm wearing. It's my pirate shirt with big baggy jeans. But yeah, I think it's time to go, so let's do that. I just have to tell you for public information that my MAC shade is NC17. I think this is in the new formula, and in the powder foundation I am in NC20. It's like a perfect match for me.
Thank you so much for coming in.
Okay, so that was quite a interesting happening event. I feel so thrown off though, because as like someone, I don't know, I struggle so much to be social. And then when I am social, I feel so drained. Like I've been profusely sweating for the past however long I've been at that event. So I'm exhausted. And I came here in a rush because I had to be here at 4 p.m. to get my MAC shades swatched and matched. So I came here after shooting one video, whereas I was actually supposed to shoot 2 videos, the second of which was actually a paid collaboration. So yeah, I have to get my energy up because the minute I get home I have to shoot that paid collab. I just want a coffee. I thought I'll get like a coffee with someone here and just chill, but it didn't happen, and I'm feeling so uncomfortable. I just want to get home. So there's the update. Also, how sweet, they gave us a whole full size of this perfume, the Giorgio Armani, or the parfum or the perfume Intense Passion. I literally just smelled this in the store because I asked the guy like, what's your bestseller, and he made me sniff this, and it smells so good, so I'm so happy to have this. So yeah, anyway, let's go home, let's get the energy up, and then shoot this paid collab video. Hello, I'm finally back from Florian Hurel. I feel like today's been such a long day, and honestly, in the middle of the day, I was so out of it. Like, I got so stressed and so overwhelmed that I had to take a nap. Like, you know how sometimes you get so stressed that you have to take a nap, and yeah, I had woken up really early for the indewild event, and then I guess I last night also didn't sleep properly at all. So yeah, I just like by the time I got back home after the event and after breakfast with Muskan, I was so dead. And I was not like feeling dead. I was feeling like hyperactive mentally, but tired, which just leads to you being cranky. And so I took a nap, for like an hour, and that really reset everything for me. After the nap, I woke up, I ate food, then I finally had some energy to actually do some work. A bunch of paid collab stuff, like brands got back with their feedback and stuff, and I had to incorporate that, re-edit some videos, send it back, and confirm some stuff for a reel that went live today, which was a collab video. So I did all of that, and then I shot a quick little reel before I went to Florian. And I really did not expect to be there for so many hours, but honestly, it was so good. Like, I think I really needed that today. I ended up getting a pedicure, and then I also got a hair analysis and skin analysis done, which was so fascinating. Like, the skin stuff didn't surprise me, but the hair analysis did. And I feel like I learned a lot about the density of my hair and stuff. It was interesting. And then they did the 12-step Korean hair spa, this was my first time doing anything like that. And most of it I felt like was really rough on my scalp. So I was like, wait, I don't know if I'm in pain or if I'm enjoying this. But then after a point, she put these like jade sleeping mask on my eyes, and then had like a crown of water flowing almost like over it. Okay, so I was like panicking that like I'm gonna stop breathing. Like, when water enters here, I like automatically held my breath, and I was like, oh shit, I can't breathe. And I'm like, wait, you can breathe. So then I like forced myself to not like overthink it and just like go with the flow a little bit. And there was also water going in my ear, and I was panicking that like my ears are gonna get blocked. But she was like, relax, relax. I was like really not relaxing. But yeah, after I like gave into that like feeling, like after I started ignoring that feeling and breathing through it, I feel like it was such a sensory delight, especially that moment. And then at the end, she even did like little putlies on my back, which were like really warm and so sensorial. I feel like the whole Korean spa is just all about the sensory feelings. I think that's the end of all the happenings this week. I really want to wrap up the vlog today on Saturday night, so that tomorrow I don't have to shoot a single thing. I'm so done. I'm done shooting. I just need a break. So yeah, it'll give me time also to edit this vlog and get it up for you. So thank you so much for being here. I really hope you enjoyed the vlog. Yeah, let me know what else you want to see from me. Make sure to subscribe, please. Before you exit from the video, please subscribe. Okay, bye.